Let's wrap up this chapter by making sure our page looks great on all screen sizes. First, let's check how our page looks like in full screen mode. It looks okay, and then zoomed in still looks fine. Now, let's press F12 to open Developer Tools. This tool helps web developers test and debug their pages. One of the useful features is Device Mode, which lets us preview how the page would look like on different mobile devices. To enable it, click on the Toggle Device toolbar at the top. Select a device, like iPhone SE, from the drop-down menu. Unfortunately, our page looks unreadable on smaller screens. But don't worry, we can fix this with media queries. So right now, our layout uses a fixed width of 600 pixels, which doesn't really scale well on smaller screens. Our navbar also has the same issue right here. We need to reduce the width on smaller screens. Here's how. Add Media, and then max width 600 pixels inside parentheses, and then open curly brackets. And this styles will apply when the screen width is 600 pixels or smaller. So we want to change the width of About Me section, Contact Form section, and also a navbar class to be a width of, let's say, 400 pixels. And let's check how this looks like now. It still looks a bit too wide, so let's make it 330 pixels for better readability. So now our page seems to be fully readable on even the smallest iPhones and other mobile devices. You can also use other conditions like minimal width to adjust the layout for bigger screens. Instead of hard-coding widths, let's move these values to CSS variables for a cleaner code. So in the root here, add default width 600 pixels and then let's say small screen width 330 pixels. And now update the styles to use these variables. So right here in About Me section and Contact Form, we will use default width. And the same for a navbar, default width. And for this media query, we want to use small screen width. This concludes our free HTML and CSS tutorial. I'd love to hear your feedback. Let me know what you think. Remember to practice your coding skills. For an exercise, you can enhance your page even more. Here are some ideas to try on your own. You can play with colors. Customize your page to match your style. For example, change colors in root variables. Support dark mode. Go back and tweak the styles to ensure dark mode looks great too. You can test some more on different screen sizes and make sure it looks great everywhere. Thank you for watching my tutorial. If you are interested in learning more about web development and programming, be sure to check out my other tutorials.